Hello guys, my name is Alysa Reyes, and today I will be comparing the nerve impulses conduction of the melanated and unmelanated neurons. This is from my homework from chapter 10, the nervous system. And right here I have a picture practically of what a neuron kind of looks like. In the next slide, I will be talking about the difference between the melanated and unmelanated neuron. So, to the right of my screen, I have a picture of a melanated axon and an unmelanated axon. One of the differences that you can see is how one has more myelin sheath, which are kind of like little protectants over the axon. So the melanated neuron is a neuron which a axon is enveloped by the layer of the Schwann cell membrane. The unmelanated neuron, there is no myelin sheath surrounding the axon. The main difference between the two neurons is the speed conduction impulse. Majority of our neurons give in the central or the peripheral system are melanated because they need fast conduction. Compared to unmelanated neurons, use slower speed conductions for our nerve signals. This is how our impulses from our body's receptors translate it to the brain, and our effectors are going to be the outcome. How the impulse conduction works with both neurons is that the melanated nerve fibers conduct more rapidly. Also, they are multi-layered membrane sheath composed primarily of pulsilip that wraps around the axon. So it practically gives more of a fast, rapid conduction compared to the unmelanated. Because the unmelanated nerve fibers conduct all over the surface, but axons are incompletely covered by obligate processes, which is practically waiting for the reaction of what the neuron is going to do. So that is really the difference of both the melanated and unmelanated. The thing that they have in common is that they're both working together, especially in our nervous system. I know the unmelanated nerves fibers are going to be the first one to touch because that is our surface, and it's going to send messages, signals to the melanated ones to work faster conduction or responses in certain situations. So the resources that I used were Quizlet. I used some of the flashcards from the nervous system, and I also used my book, which I forgot to put on here. Thank you.